Have you ever had a deal so good you couldn't pass it up? Well, this case was it for me. Offer up $40. What's up, guys? J Burger McFries here, and today I'm bringing you another build. Before we get started though, I just wanted to admire this beauty for a little. It's the InWin 101. Look at the geometric design. Doesn't it bring so much elegance to this case? And the fact that it's in white, it makes me like it even more. I'm not going to lie, I was thinking about keeping this all for myself, but my wonderful woman said no. Moving on, I don't know much about this case, to be honest. I didn't receive it with any fans, but not to worry. We should get to that in a bit. Speaking about not knowing, I couldn't find the power button. As silly as that sounds, it's actually in disguise. Oh, here it is. Would you ever think that's where the power button is? Didn't think so. So without further ado, let's see what we're working with here. We got a B450 Aorus Elite motherboard. A Ryzen 5 2600X. Jill Potenza or Evo Potenza. DDR4 16GB 3000 MHz RAM. 6 up here RGB fans, which we're making an unboxing video. An EVGA 500 watt 80 plus certified power supply. A 120 gigabyte inland SSD. And a 1 terabyte hard drive, which apparently was left for me inside the case as a Christmas gift. Say what? Christmas came early, or later for me. Well, finders keepers. And alrighty, let's get started. Alright guys, one thing that I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video is that I'm going to be using a 970. Yes, it's not the best card, but it's equivalent to a 1060. So, let's see how it goes.
Monster kill.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create